Hey, yo, what's up, everyone? Dun, 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 dun. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jeradix TV. By the way, I'm Jayson, and I'm here again to give you another reaction of video requested by one of our sister or one of our friends' sister from Manipur, Northeast India, Miss Nandarani PH. And the title of this music that she wants me to react is Tender Love. Oh my goodness, Tender Love. So what is this Tender Love, guys? By the way, the singer here or the one who sing this song is Miss Soma Laishram. Okay, so why she makes this music video? So let's going to read the description of this title. Hi all, here's my newest project, Tender Love for You All. Wow, for you all. Tender Love is dedicated to all the one-sided, incomplete love stories. Oh my goodness. My love is complete, but this is only for the incomplete love stories. Oh my God. Okay, may this song remind you of your first crush. Oh, when is my first crush? Maybe that was in my high school life. So the fast heart beats and the excitement and nervousness, and give full closure to your story with this smile. Oh wow. This is a very interesting music now. So the entire Tender Love team has tried its best to give you all something new. Oh, thank you. And we hope you all love it. Definitely, I'm going to love it this, and I'm going to love your music, Miss Soma Laishram, or for the entire what's this team of your what's this? Yes, team. Okay, unveiling this song is like burying myself to you all, so please show me some love. Okay, no problem. So, sharing the lyrics so that you can sing along and enjoy. So, before that, guys, make sure that you are subscribing my channel, guys. And please don't forget to hit that bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video like this. So, without further ado, let's get now and watch this video. Soma Laishram Production. Oh, what's this? A film by Jayson G. Shoes. Oh, Tender Love, Tender Love. Wow, Soma Laishram, I love you. She looks like a Barbie doll. Wow. Wow. I love you, Soma Laishram. You look like a Barbie doll. She's not only a beautiful, but the voice of Soma Laishram, very lovely, guys. By the way, guys, the name of this guy, if not mistaken, is Edwin Kubza. Tender, tender love. Woo! Very closeness. Wow. They are both compatible. Very sweet. Tender, tender love. Oh, it looks like a fairy tale. The girl here is, Barbie, and the guy here is Ken. Oh, hi. Wow, she's so freaky, guys. Oh. Tender love. Tender, tender love. Ooh, wow. He is so handsome like me, guys. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. The story here looks like a fairy tale. Oh my goodness. That was my girl, Soma Laishram. Love. Oh wow, that was so sweet. Sing, guys. Oh. Yeah, flowers for you and balloon for the guy. Oh. Oh. Oh, what happened? Oh. Take it, take it. Oh, why? There's something wrong. What happened? To be continued. Oh, to be continued again. Why like this? I'm so hanging again. Please make the second part of this story. I love it, guys. I love it. Tender love. That was so sweet, romantic scene of these two artists here, Soma Laishram and Edwin Kobzar. Guys, please help me to find the second part of this music video or this story, guys. I'm so hanging with this story. What happened in the ending, guys? Why this girl getting mad to this guy? Even though this guy giving a flower, why she getting angry? What happened? Is there any misunderstood? So guys, please update me on this second part of this musical video because I want to know what is the ending here. I told you last time, guys, that please don't request a music that there is no ending, guys. But anyway, that's fine for me. I so enjoy to watch it, and I'm in love also. I'm in love with Soma Laishram. Oh my goodness. She looks like a Barbie, right? She looks like, just like I'm watching cartoons, Barbie and Ken. And I just want to comparing Soma Laishram and Edwin Kobzar. Am I right, guys? Please comment down below if I'm mistaken to name this guy Edwin Kubsar, but I think that was the right name of this guy here. So, wow. Anyway, that's all for tonight. Yes, I'm so I'm so enjoy to watch it, and oh my god. She's so pretty, guys. Soma Laishram. I like her. I like her, the way she act, the way she sing this song. Perfect for me. She's so perfect for me. And please, don't forget to remind me, guys, or to request me another or a second part of this story, so that we will know what is the ending of this story of Tender Love musical video by Soma Laishram. Thank you so much for allowing me to react your music or your song. So guys, that's it for today, for tonight I mean. So if you enjoy to watch it, this, yes, of course, definitely you enjoy it to watch this. So please don't forget to like and share this musical video. And what else? Please give also a lot of thumbs up, okay? And another one thing, guys, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit my bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction of video like this. Alright, so see you on my next reaction of video. I love you all, guys. Thank you so much and God bless you. Bye! Hey!